Today we're just going to check my avatar today. So, and my Discord is on. Quick, anyways, guys, hello, yeah. Okay, so we are just going to put my avatar on the dates. So we're going to my avatar, and today, if you don't know, I have a lot of avatars, so I need to check my first ever avatar. So, first is this, I just want to check, put in my other avatar, so here we go, there we go. So that's my avatar. Let's just join my game, or a different avatar. So what do I need to do after I choose the avatar? I need to get the tutorial. I'm just going to choose a bit of things. Yeah, this should be a music video, but I can't. Or just a video about doing stuff. But anyways, face, I don't know. Okay. So we'll delete this hat, so we are totally old. Just need to check my friend's avatar, which this is my friend's. It's not my friend's computer, like totally. But okay, he's going to put my avatar on like this. So I am on my avatar, yeah. Clothing face. Yeah. I'm just going to go. Oh wait. Oh wait. Now I get it. Okay. Sorry. A lot of love stuff. But the one where face, not like this. Just the face. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay. Oh, here is it. What? I don't have enough Robux. This is what I'm just going to do. Buying Robux. I don't have enough. Come on, like. I'll collect some enough Robux, but. Come on, for God's sake. Anyways, in faces, I have a good face to show you. Which I just wanted to buy because... Where is it? Because I need to find it. Where is it? They moved it. Come on, like, yeah. They moved it, kind of moved it. It's not my fault that they moved it. Someone else thought they like move it, and then they just was so happy. I need to find it. It's not in here today. What? I don't get it. I don't get you. No. At all. Someone will write it in the comments. In someone else's comments, but they said that it's going to be for me. They said I would buy some Robux. I would buy anything. I would buy anything. It's just for Robux. If I like it, or whatever, I have money or not, or something like that. My mom has money. Okay. Just being the same. Okay, so I'm back. I can't buy Robux for now. I'll buy them later. This is how you buy it. Cool. Well, yep. So I have enough on this account. Like, this is a lot, but this is not what we're here for. Why are there ad poppers? Why do ad poppers even exist anyways? So then, face. Well, this face here is going to use this. Going to get a catalog. Clothing, body parts, faces. So where's that face done? Red Hat. I can know it all. Where is it? Where's his avatar? Avatar. Laughing fun. Okay. He also plays on the phone. But I made his avatar, so he should be thankful for me. Okay, anyways, wait. Just want to show you one thing. This is not good. Well, anyways, just want to show you one thing. This is nearly the same thing. Maybe there is, yeah, like this. It's nearly the same thing as this. I don't think there is another face just like this. No. Sorry, there isn't. I was just collecting for one thing. Collecting Robux is so hard. Buying Robux. And they are on sale. Like, this one is a good one, this one is a good one. How much is this? Okay, this is for 9 hours. 9. Which one shall I buy? Like, you need to tell me in the comment section below, but I want to buy it now. Which one shall I buy? Which one's the next one? Oh, this one's going off sale for 1 minute. I don't have enough now, sorry. Please. Oh, add. Just going to go to add Roblox homepage. Okay, so this is my face so far. No more. My favorite. Then just go to Roblox home. Roblox home. Roblox home. So first of all, we need to find the faces. Catalog. Face. We need to go to faces, yeah, like these ones. Why doesn't it let me open them? Let's go to faces. One face has gone off sale now because it was like 4 hours. Come on, yes. Okay, so I just want to go to here. Hey, Daft Gamers Online. Yes, yes, yes. Wait, I'm sorry. Let's go to Ask Daft Gamer. Okay, don't want to. Okay. Daft Gamer. Okay. No, he's offline. Okay. So I like Galaxy, so I'm just going to put her. Yeah, this is a cool hair. Ooh, this hurts me. At least if they released the Galaxy like that, I would definitely buy it. Even if it was 10,000 Robux limited, I would buy the Robux straight away. Okay. Her face. Yeah. Okay. Now, shirt. Shoulder. Gonna put one thing in the shoulder front. I don't know. I'm gonna buy something in a second. I'm not spending Robux. Okay. Need to find. This is cool. We can put a little bot instead of that, yeah. We can put a little bot. Wait. We can put this, yeah. Waist. Shirt. What should I put? It's my homemade shirt. Oh, God. Which one shall we put? They're all so good. For now, let's leave it with this one. And let's then create pants. Let's create a shirt. This is cool. Yeah, I can go with this. Yeah, okay. Or I can go with this. No, that's so stupid. I can go with this. No, this one's a lot more better. Check this one. Sounds just like a girl. So, yeah, this gives nothing. This one gives nothing as well as I knew. Okay, so this one's a cool one. Yeah, okay. Just going to leave it on this one. Body part. Animations, okay. Okay. My dad is finally here, as you heard it or not. It might not be my dad, actually. So here we go. This is my avatar. Yeah, I know. It's going to be high if I scale it up so high.